So this project is about solar panel cleaning robot. Nowadays, the renewable energy sources have become one of the major input of all the electrical and electronic components. Here, the main concept of this project is maintaining the solar panel is becoming a little bit complex. So here we are going to design an automated solar panel cleaning robot using microcontroller. Here in the demonstration, you can see a vehicle kind of model was designed. Actually, we placed only 3 solar panels here. So some sensors was kept, or we can able to keep a particular time duration. For example, weekly once or monthly once, our automated system will go and clean the entire solar panel. So this system was very cost effective and much effective compared to other alternate methods. So basically this project was developed by one of our trained students. If you require these type of projects, please contact us. Thank you.